Gymnasium.
Oo.
And itutuloy po natin mamaya yung ating mga upcoming events for our Tandayan. As we welcome our first contingent. And upon today, parating pa lang, so we'll just keep on talking as they're going to prepare here para sa kanilang performance. And announcement po sa lahat, pakisunod lang po yung ating mga tali dyan, huwag na kayong lalambay.
Yes po.
Para po mabigyan
Yan po ay
ng space yung ating mga performers.
Okay, so
Alamin po na lang pagsunod, ayun ang ipaglahos sino ng mga higop na aton libutan around sa aton venue. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kalingayan Festival of the Municipality of San Jose, Tibuan. Contingent number 1, Kalingayan Festival of the Municipality of San Jose, Tibuan. Honorable Dec Doligon, Honorable Rhea Pumarios, Honorable Jaika Tabacok, and Honorable Ronnie Ribato. Once again, San Jose, Tibuan.
matagal na sa labasong mga palakpakan.
Ang pinakakusog! Contingent number 1 pa lang yan. May solo po ba?
Manicure, massage, and ano. So, di ba?
Santa Maria.
Sir, dinilibre kayo.
Yes, that's part of our celebration.
Yes, of course. And also, we have our Yes Startup Camp. Doon po sa ating food spot. 8 p.m. po. That will be on August 6 to
Yes, so
11.
August 6, going to August 11. In August 7, we will have at 6 p.m. we will have our provincial stakeholders.
Meron pa po tayo sa August 8, 7 p.m. ay kapupestida ng Taray. That will be provincial capital, Browns.
And on August 8 to 9 will be the 2025 Yes Fair and Summer Book Fiesta held at Summer Convention Center.
8 p.m. po yan. We also have the Syrup Frisbee at 9 a.m. That will be on August 9 sa Summer Convention Center po nito. And of course, tuloy-tuloy meron po tayong Mutyahan Summer.
The most awaited.
Yes, of course. 2025 Coronation Night.
And it will be held at Santa Margarita Sports Center. And on August 10, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Yung mga nagpa-register last August tomorrow, today and tomorrow,
Yes.
we will have at 8 a.m. their job and service fair at Summer Convention Center.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Alimano Festival of the